First, log in to the ForTrace application by entering a license number, password. After that, you will be able to see the application like this. Now click on login to ForTrace. After that, application will look like this. You can change the application language to English and Hindi as well. You can log out from here. On left side, you can able to see premix lot section, rice flow log section, self-declared premix batch section, FRK batch section, inventory section, and finally manage section. Now we need to receive a premix batch from the premix lot from the premix manufacturer. Go to the lot dispatched section and click on a lot. Below that, you will be able to see the receive lot button. Select receive date, receive time, and add comments. Click on receive lot button. Now you can accept it or you can reject it without accepting. You can see the history of that batch from history and batch history tree sections. You can accept the lot fully or partially. If you want to accept partially, select that option and enter the bag size and quantity and comments as well. And now the lot has been dispatched, and that dispatched lot we have accepted it all. And we have other filters as well: lot received, sample tested, accepted, lot to send back, and sample rejected sections. Coming to rice floor lot, enter enter the details to create a rice floor lot. After entering all the mandatory details like percentage to be used in FRK, lab name, quantity, and rice type. If you have any additional documents, you can upload it through a file name and upload it through this option. After entering all this, click on create button. This is a rice floor lot has been created. Coming to FRK batches, we have two types of flow. First, enter all the material details. If you don't want to mark your batch for CMR blending, you can select no, or else if you want to mark it as mark it for CMR blending, you can select S and enter all the details. After entering all these details, click on create button. Now after creating the batch, it will show you like this. You need to send this sample to lab. Select the lab name. If you know any particular lab, you can select that lab name from here and click on send sample to lab. Now log in as a lab user. You can able to see the history as well. Now log in as a lab user and test that sample which we have sent from FRK manufacturer. Receive that uh, sample. You can able to see the status like this: sample in lab. After that, enter all the mandatory details for testing that sample. Upload the lab report. Yeah. Now, if you refresh this page, you will be able to see it as sample tested, and you can see in the history as well. and can able to download the lab report from here. Now you can click on ready to inspect button. It will send this batch to QMS, quality management system. uh, you can see that in history as well. Now if you want to send this sample to others as well, if you don't know any particular lab name, you can send this sample to others by selecting this others option, and, and give details to this other lab, like lab name, report number, and sample test date. After that after that upload lab test report. After entering all these mandatory details, click on send sample to lab button. This is how you can send this uh, sample to other lab. It will automatically change to sample tested. Now you can able to click on this ready to inspect button. It will send this sample batch to QMS. This is one flow. Another flow is create a rice flow lot by entering all the mandatory details. After creating a rice lot, if you don't have a premix batch, you can create it by self declared premix batch section by entering all the mandatory details, the lab name, test report, uploading this test report as well. Or else if you have, you can receive it. After that, create a rice lot. Now we are creating FRK batch. Add material details. Now if you don't want to mark this batch for CMR blending, you can select no option here. Then you need to enter all the details. After that, I need to click on the create button. After the batch has been created, you can send this sample to lab by selecting the lab name. Click on the send sample to lab. Now if you see in the vendor retail section, you will be able to see the QR code here. If you download it, i- if you download that QR code, you will be able to see the FRK batch details like this, like vendor details and batch details. And you can search the batch, FRK batches through search field, or else if you want to apply filters with different stages, you can apply it from this filter. After the sample is tested, it will move to like this. You can download the lab report, sampling lab. After sampling lab, it is tested and now it is ready to be dispatched. You can see the history as well. If you click on any node, you will be able to see all the history of that batch. Now you need to add packaging info in order to dispatch this batch. Add bag size, units, and quantity. Click on save packaging info. Now click on the dispatch button. You can dispatch it through license number or a drop or through drop down. Select the manufacturer name from the drop down. After that, click on this add item, bag size and quantity, how much quantity you want to dispatch. Click on dispatch lot. Now this is how a lot has been dispatched to other manufacturer. If you want to add wastage, you can add the quantity, units and comments. Click on submit. This is how wastage details has been added. It will show you like this. All these are different stages. We have created, sample tested, rejected, batch ready to dispatch, partially dispatched and all. In lots you can able to see lots which sent back and rejected lot received. Coming to inventory section, there are premix lots inventory. All the premix lots we have created, you can see it here. All the rice flour lots you can see it here. And FRK batches inventory, all the FRK batches which we have created, you can see it here. You can download all these lots as well. And if you want, you can see a manage user. If you want to create a new user, you can create it by clicking on plus icon and enter all the mandatory details like name, first name, last name, password, confirm password, email address, and finally your roles. After entering all these details, click on create button. This is how a new user will create like this. You will be able to see all their email address, names and all. If you want to reset password, you can click on this reset password and update your password. If you click on this bell icon, you will be able to see all the notifications like this. If you click on anything, you'll be able to see their log details or batch details page like this. You can log out from the application. Thank you.